You have the Vortex V22 and it's not powering on. Here are 6 things to check. First, make sure that the back case is clicked all the way in like this. Just like that. Second thing to check is make sure the inside of the case buttons here is not dirty. If it might be full of dirt or grime, use an old paintbrush to brush that out. Double check your battery is not puffy like this one where it's starting to break and not take a charge anymore. If you need to borrow a friend, family member, or coworker's battery to test, do that. Check your charging port to make sure it's not full of dirt, grime, or dust, and then clean it with the paintbrush or something small. Test your charging brick and your charging cables to make sure it charges something else. If not, then replace them. And lastly, make sure the outlet you're using actually works and has electricity. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.